Alright, we're taking everybody along with us. We're filming a day in the life of a leasee. We packed the truck up last night, drove most of the way through the night and got a hotel room, but we are headed to Nebraska. We in search of some ducks and some upland hunting, and we got on HLRBO.com and we found us a lease for a few days. So we're going to take you all out there, show you the property, and see if we can't have a little bit of fun. It's Spencer's first out-of-state hunt. We got the ducky goose killer himself in the back seat, Mr. Nick Locke, and Landon's back there too, so should be a good time. Yeah, I think we're going to. Dude, we are so excited. We're getting close. We're about 10 or 15 minutes out. Just talked to the owner of the property. He's going to meet us there and kind of show us around before he gives us the reins of the place. Well, we made it to our lease out here in Nebraska. Gonna be a lot of fun. We got kind of a boys trip here after deer season's winding down at home, and hoping to get on some ducks and seen some pheasants coming in, so it should be a dang good time. Nice place here, a lot of wildlife around, so unloading the truck and have some fun. Well, we had a long night of travel and get a whole lot of sleep last night. We made it into this lease about mid-morning, got our stuff all unpacked, kind of checking out the ranch, just sitting up on this hillside tonight, looking over a lot of these sloughs and this river that runs through here, watching a lot of birds, just trying to do a little scouting, get a game plan for the next coming days. But this place is pretty dang awesome. We've actually got to see a bunch of roosters, a bunch of pheasant tonight, so might be trying to do a little bit of that, and got to see a few bonus deer as well. So pretty awesome place, beautiful view from up here, and excited to see what we can get on in the next couple days. We just got back in from our evening scout. We're here half a day today. We're gonna start hunting tomorrow. Nick's whipping up some dinner. Me and Spencer are looking back through some footage. Seen a bunch of ducks, bunch of geese, bunch of pheasants. Not really sure the plan for the morning yet, but should be a good day. Should be a really good day. I think we should have hopefully a limit of ducks or geese and hopefully a limit of pheasants in the morning. Landon's chilling on the couch back there watching Heartland. We're gonna take it easy tonight, drink a couple beers, sit back, get a game plan for the morning, and get after it. Go. As per the owner of the property, he recommends scouting most of the day Friday, so we are going to scout this morning and then go shoot some pheasants. Sounds like around noon. Not really sure. This property is really cool. We kind of looked at it last night on some observation type stuff, but
probably jackrabbit right there.
Probably jackrabbit.
oh, that's blown out.
I think we should just go jump shoot the pond.
What are you making us for breakfast, Spencer?
Cardboard.
Cardboard?
Yeah. Now we're gonna eat some eggs, some breakfast sausage, and maybe some bacon. Or we could just be lazy and eat a pizza. We brought 450 freaking eggs up.
Here we go. This morning hunt was a little slow, but I'm making a game plan for this evening, so we'll see. getting over a cold, but we'll see what everyone has planned. Looks like there's some ducks on a couple of his ponds, so we might be doing a little waterfowl hunt in the morning. Might try scouting a little more tonight, maybe a little more pheasant hunting this evening, but looks like tomorrow and the next couple days is going to be pretty good, so we're going to stay after it. Got a couple more days here at the lease, and we're going to see what happens. So stay tuned.
What's up, guys? We just kind of got here down to the river. We're kind of checking things out. We're going to get a blind set for the morning. We jumped a few ducks off, a few mallards, so things are looking bright. Good hide, lots of ducks in the area. Hopefully we can beat them up.
Spencer, what do you think? What do you think, Spencer?
I'm about to smash this and probably go the hell to bed.
Some Weisenberger, potatoes,
And a little
salad.
Good morning.
Ready?
Good morning. Well, we're setting up here to duck hunt this morning. It's a little cold. Nick and Jim are over there setting decoys in the river right now. Get everything unpacked, unloaded, and get ready for these ducks to start working.
Gonna be a fun morning, hopefully.
Go ahead.
We switched up from duck hunting to pheasant hunting. We just got down here to this milo patch. We're trying to corral all the birds in the center of this field and jump them all up. So stay tuned and see what happens.
Seen one pheasant so far. About to walk another milo patch. Do what? Nick shot a quail. Landon shot a rooster so far. All my shots been kind of blocked by people, so I decided to opt out on it. I'm gonna kill one now. Nifty.
Thank you. I almost got shot in the making.
By who?
Very soft mouth. Love it. How do you tell the difference in the males and the females on these?
He's got a pecker. Just kidding.
No idea. I didn't know
I think they might have a little more white on them, the middle.
Yeah, Dad.
Well, our duck hunt this morning was not really as planned. Not a whole lot of birds were flying, but the weather's not great, so we packed up, did some upland hunting, and it was a blast. Spencer killed a really nice rooster, jumped tons and tons of quail. Did pretty well today, so we're gonna hopefully get some breakfast and lunch going and then decide what we're gonna do for this evening. But today's been a really great shoot. We've had a lot of fun, and yeah, it's
Maybe go try to get on some honkers.
we've been seeing a lot of honkers and stuff, but not really sure our total game plan yet. Just gonna get some food. We got food on our mind. That's about it. So
Food and birds.
As we wrap up our hunting trip in Nebraska, we want to extend a huge thank you to HLRBO for helping us secure the lease. Despite the tough hunting conditions, we made lasting memories, shared plenty of laughs, and got to enjoy the great outdoors. The property was beautiful, and even though the game didn't cooperate, the experience in itself was well worth it. We couldn't have asked for a better spot to spend our time, and we look forward to coming back in the future. Thanks again, HLRBO.